Oh my goodness, you guys, I received this awesome box of Kingston Crafts products that I am just so excited about. So this is the second collection from Kingston Crafts, and it's available at HSN. And I just want to kind of show you what I have. Oh my goodness, in this amazing box. Wowzers, where do I even begin? Okay, let's take a look. Look at the stamp set. How cute is that? So it says happy anniversary, always and forever, best wishes, congratulations. So it's really a celebration kind of stamp set. This one is all about love. So it has these square builders. You can build a square with those. XO, lovebirds. I love you in different languages. That's so fun. Love the little birds. You mean the world to me. Super cute. And then I love these chipboard frames in pink and gray, red and white. These are really, really useful. I used these frames from the first collection on some cards that I created, and I just loved them. Now I'm so excited about this stamp set. Take a look at this. How adorable is that? I just love this. Happier with you, always, thinking of you, love one another. I love that one. And dies to match. This is definitely going to be the first thing that I use. Look at these really cool circle chipboard pieces. I can see there being some kind of bullseye here. Hello, Valentine's Day. We definitely need that. Really cool. Oh, and the embellishments. Let's take a look. Cute wood veneer hearts. Oh, I love these, like acetate hearts, and they're plaid. And then they have solids as well. Enamel dots in the prettiest pink and red colors. Oh, I got a box of goodies here. Look at all of these. Oh my golly gosh. These are rose gold chipboard hearts and arrows, pink, silver. These look like they're off-white. Yep, gray, red. I can't even believe this, you guys. There's so many here. These are gray. There's some more gray, gold, pink. They're all different hues. See that pink? This is like a more dusty pink. That's a bubblegum pink. Look at that. And then white. So many different colors. I'm really excited about those. And then the paper. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is a huge paper stack. Look at this. 60 double-sided papers, and they are a great weight. Look at how beautiful these patterns are. Hearts and stripes. They're solids too. Super handy for making cards, making scrapbook layouts. Oh, I love that one. Polka dot. Gingham. Oh my goodness. How awesome is this? I just love every bit of it. So I'm gonna get creative and start making now. I've grabbed a sheet of watercolor paper here as well as the paper doll stamp, and I'm using Stays On ink, which is a permanent ink to ink up the little girls, and I'm stamping multiple at a time here, and I'm going to do the same with the little boys because I have a really fun idea using them. And I got this idea as soon as I saw the stamp. There are so many different things that you can do with this stamp, but this one is so fun. I'm using watercolors and a water brush here to color all of my little girls and boys using different skin tones, different dress and shirt colors, just to make it really fun, bright, and colorful. This project is going to be going in my daughter's room, so I really wanted to be really fun and childlike. Next, I'm using the paper doll die to run these through my Revolution machine from We Are Memory Keepers, and it perfectly cuts out every shape. I love how easy this is, and I don't have to get out my scissors and do this step myself. Even with this heavier watercolor paper, it is cutting through it like a dream. Okay, next up I've taken the pink chipboard circle and I'm using pink ink here just so it's not so bright, and I'm stamping love one another over and over to create a pattern on the background. And because I'm doing pink on pink, that tone on tone, it's going to act more like a texture, a really subtle design than something bright and bold. I have a frame here. It's a 12 by 12 shadow box frame, and I'm using this heart paper. I want to use the larger heart side up. So I'm using my scrapbook.com adhesive here, which I will link up in the video notes, and I'm adhering that heart pattern first. Next, I'm putting a piece of vellum over the top because I want to soften that pattern. I want my children to be the focal point of this, so I'm going to soften that a little bit by just adding a sheet of vellum. Next, I'm adhering the chipboard circle using my scrapbook.com adhesive. This adhesive is great for any kind of product. And then I'm going to just place my little children around the circle. I'm using dimensional adhesive to adhere them on their bodies, and then on their feet I'm just using some permanent dot adhesive from Scrapbook Adhesives by 3L so that it looks like their feet are on top of that chipboard. It's really turning out to be so cute. Next up, I'm going to put a heart right in the center, and then I'm going to stamp the love one another sentiment onto a spare piece of watercolor paper and adhere that to the center of the heart using dimensional adhesive again. This project was so easy to put together, and I love that I've created a custom art piece for my daughter's bedroom. I'm just going to pop that in the frame. Look how cute and easy that was to create with these new Kingston Crafts products. I just love the love vibe about these. I think we can all use more of this message about loving one another despite our differences, and I really want to instill this in my child, and so I think this is a great reminder to put front and center in her bedroom. I'm so excited to see how it looks in there. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out all the products I used in this video at the link in my video notes. Happy creating, guys!